Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi, and today I am going to pick a winner for my summer giveaway. A while ago, I listed this summer giveaway. As you can see here, we've got some Karen Simply Soft Marled. We've got some hand-dyed yarn down here. We've got this Noro right here, and we've got some mystery yarn right here, which I am going to be releasing the video with me dyeing that yarn later on this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a winner from the many people who commented back on this video, and it looks like there might have been somewhere around 300 comments. So we're going to go to commentpicker.com. This is the one that I usually use. It might look a little bit different because they're starting to have a premium version, and but this is a free version. We've put the URL of the video right here. Filtered out duplicate users, just one entry per person. There's going to be one winner, and I've solved that. So now I'm going to find out how many comments there were. Like I said, there's 301 comments, so I was really close. So all I have to do is hit this start button to pick a winner. So what I want to let you guys know is good luck, and when I hit this start button, it's going to shuffle through some people, and the person that it lands on, that is who's going to win. So good luck. So the winner for the summer giveaway is Chris Kransky. And Chris says, I got to go to a water park for the first time in years, and I'd have to say that's probably my favorite summer activity. It was a blast. I'm really glad that you enjoyed that, Chris. And what I'm going to need you to do, Chris, is to send me an email. Now, my email is available in the description and also in the pinned comment. And in that email, I'm just going to need your mailing address so that I can send your package to you. And I'm going to need for you to respond to me sometime within the next 10 days. Otherwise, I'll have to pick another winner. For those of you who didn't win, no worries. I'm going to be continuing to have giveaways. I'm going to have about 4 a year from now on, and I'll be announcing the next one on Friday. And I'm really excited about announcing that this Friday because it's going to come with some other big announcements for the channel. That said, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please congratulate Chris for winning, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.